లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ క్వశ్చన్ అది కాదు. చిన్న పాముని చిన్న కర్ర కోసం వెతికే బదులు అందుబాటులో ఉన్న కర్రతో ముందు కొట్టు. చిన్న పాముకు చిన్న కర్ర, మధ్య పాముకు మధ్య కర్ర, పెద్ద పాముకు పెద్ద కర్ర. నీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? పాము అపకారం చేస్తుంది, కర్ర కొట్టు. అదే లాజిక్ అక్కడ. చిన్నదో పెద్దదో తర్వాత చూద్దాం. పాము చిన్నది కదా అని చిన్న కర్ర కోసం వెతకొద్దు. అది గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్. అపకారం చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి నువ్వు అందుబాటులో ఉన్న కర్ర, వీలైతే పెద్ద కర్ర. ఎంత అర్థం ఉంది. మనం ఆలోచించటం మానేసాం. వీ హ్యావ్ స్టాప్డ్ థింకింగ్, వీ హ్యావ్ స్టాప్డ్ గ్రోయింగ్. కొంచెం ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకుని అర్థం చేసుకుంటే చాలా విషయాలు తెలిసి వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్, డిసిప్లిన్ ఇంప్రూవ్స్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ డిసిప్లిన్? డూయింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ అన్ ఆర్డర్లీ సిస్టమేటిక్ మేనర్. The moment you do things in a systematic manner, you are sure you will not be making mistakes, because over a period of time you have built that confidence. So discipline improves confidence, confidence improves discipline. Then confidence improves perseverance. What is perseverance? Steadfast, disciplined, dedicated. Come what may, I will win. And if I were to lose, unfortunately, I will try again. I will not take rest till I win. That is perseverance and determinism, right? The determination will come then. Confidence improves enthusiasm. Enthusiasm reinforces confidence. That is the beauty of it. Winning, 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 winning continuously. You will be more enthusiastic. Enthusiasm improves your confidence. Confidence improves your enthusiasm, and so on. Confidence improves your positive attitude, not negative. Say for example, I'll give you 1 second. Let's say this boy was introduced as university first best player in tennis. Okay, I said, come on, let's play. Very good. Congratulations. I never thought for your age you will be such a beautiful player. You have a lot of future. Good luck. God bless you. I lost the game, but does not matter. I wish you all the best. Then I will say, every day in the evening for 1 hour, why don't you come for practice? I think I have something to learn from you. You have something to learn from me. Positive attitude. Negative attitude. So you are a winner. Who taught you? Who was your coach? Which university you said? Do you understand my language and style? And then say, ऐसे बच्चों से नहीं खेलना भाई, हमारा खेल खराब होता. మీకు అర్థమైందా? ఇలాంటి పిల్లలతో ఆడకూడదు, మాట చెడిపోతుంది. ఏంటది? ఏదో అక్కడెక్కడ విశాఖపట్నంలోనో ఆదిలాబాద్ లోనో ఆడుకోమని చెప్పు, హైదరాబాద్ వద్దు. నెగటివ్ యాటిట్యూడ్. If you find really talent, encourage it. Don't be jealous. If you have something to learn, learn. If you have something to give, give with love. You see, when I am playing, when you are playing with me, you are definitely able to find out my styles, my strong points and my weak points, isn't it? That means am I not demonstrating what I know? Then what is it I am concealing? I am not concealing anything. You are able to find out. If you are intelligent enough, you know what is the trick. Why I am able to do that? That means I am willing to share with you. I am willing to show it to you. Now it is that openness that's going to make a difference. Positive attitude improves optimism. Optimism improves creativity. And thus creativity leads to greater happiness. That's how confidence leads to greater happiness. I have done it before. I will do it again. I will do it better. When I do something, there will not be any complaint. Nobody will be able to point out a defect in what I am doing. And that is the seriousness and dedication with which I do things, and so on. Learn the secrets of success and go on adding to the secrets. The secret of success is to do even the common things uncommonly well. Don't differentiate between simple things and important things. Even simple things you must do wonderfully well. Then only you will develop over a period of time a serious commitment for perfection, excellence, and so on. I'll give a very simple instance. Servant maid is there in my home. She just cleans the home every day, and so much of chatta, dust and papers etc. will come. For some festival, she goes away for 4 days. 1 or 2 days if she is not coming, my missus will keep quiet. But for 4 days if she is not coming, then she herself will take the broomstick and try to bend a little deeper, try to clean the cobwebs etc. and so on. So she will take so much of on that day. After 2 days, the servant maid comes and says, "Amma, em ledu, etluntadi nenu udchina." The servant maid does the cleaning for salary. My wife does the cleaning for the sake of her husband, for children, for grandchildren, etc. So where there is love and affection, you perform better. If you are performing better, my wife will not say, I am the wife of a retired professor, why should I clean? Our home, our children, you are going to do it with your love and heart. That is the thing. Even you may be asked to do a small thing. For example, the teacher in the school may be told, you take care of January 26th flag hoisting. You take care of that. Or while coming from you, that you know you come from that Mosanjahi market side. So while coming, get some 100 rupees worth of flowers and bouquets because we have to give it to the chief guest. No, I will not do it. You ask your class 4 to do it, class 3 to do it. Many a time I tell you, we want to withdraw from work and responsibility. Change your attitude. Even a small thing you must be able to do, putting your heart and soul into that. Then you will come up in your life. That's the reason why I ask you people normally to read biographies. To read autobiographies of great people. How from humble beginnings they have risen to the heights of Himalayan heights in any field or any area of activity that they have touched. That is the type of attitude we must have towards work. The secret of success is to do even the common things uncommonly well. Then only you will develop over a period of time that attitude of perfection, pursuing and excellence and so on. Be prepared. Be prepared for failure also. Be willing to learn from mistakes, yours and that of others also. Learn from both success and failure. Your experience will improve and thus your confidence level will improve. Made in Japan, oh. Made in America, wow. Made in India, why? More than 50% of the best of the brains in NASA, in Silicon Valley are Indian brains. If you are abroad, you work seriously. In India, chalta, isse zyada nahi karna. Come out of that attitude and you will be able to give your best and become something. That MADE is an acronym that I have used. M is for motivation, A is for analysis, D is for discipline, E is for evaluation. MADE made. Motivate yourself. Analyze. Discipline yourself. Evaluate. From where you are to a higher position, to a nobler position and so on, there must be continuous improvement. Self-confidence produces substantial and sustainable influence on the way you think, act, behave, feel and achieve. These winners, cricket or tennis or any other game, do you know when they are getting the trophy, when they have won, the way they walk confidently. Otherwise, I have lost the game. So all the people who come to receive me are not there, only 20 fellows are there, my close friends and family members. But I have won the cup for India. 2,000 fellows will be there at the airport to receive me. Have you understood the difference? When I see 2,000 people, I am very happy. I say, hi. It is that gives me strength and satisfaction. That means every day I must practice more. Every day I must do something more. I must be more creative and I must be winning and not losing. That is the spirit. That means I must be willing to learn. Be a lifelong learner. Learning is not for just retirement only. Learning is not for a job only. Learn for the life. Continue to learn till the last moment of your stay on this planet Earth. Self-confidence improves motivation. Motivation helps in bringing out the best in yourself. So if the best is coming out, naturally your confidence level will improve. Where there is confidence, there will be no diffidence, no inferiority complex, no underestimation of self, and you will begin to know thyself. That means your real ability, your real potential, you will be able to know. There are some 16 points I wanted to briefly emphasize. Don't worry, I am showing them separately. Just a list of them is presented here. Read good books that provide positive motivation. Many a time we waste our time reading things merely for entertainment. Simple reading with no consequence. Doesn't make us think. Does not add any knowledge to us. But just killing time. Even if you don't read also, no problem. Even if you stop the book in the middle also, no headache will come. We waste a lot of time doing unnecessary things. That's why I said read good things that will improve your confidence level. Ensure the company of positive people. Many a time we find some of our own friends and relatives are a bit negative. For example, say someone says, "Sir, I want to